Hi guys, so I have these stains in my garage, as you can see, and these are all oil stains, and my car was leaking, and now I'm trying to clean it. So I'm going to show you what's the best way to clean it. So what you need to grab yourself is a brake cleaner, and you can pick it up for like $2.50, $3, and just make sure you shake it pretty well. And there's something that I've cleaned, you can see, and the best way is just spray it directly on there. Okay. If you have a brush or something, it works out much better, so you can dissolve everything. Make sure you don't keep using the same side. The ones that are inside the groove, you may have to use a brush to get it all out. And there you go. It's coming out pretty good. This one you can see it's almost gone. And one thing I do recommend is use a clean cloth. Don't use something too dirty, because that dirt is going to come off and then stain your concrete. So for each stain, use a separate dedicated piece of cloth, and then keep doing it and everything will come off. So guys, if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. I like the video. Thank you.